Raji versus the train ride versus maximum family trip meltdown. Raji Kumar had one goal today: to enjoy a peaceful family vacation. But naturally, he turned the train ride into a roast battle, food fight, and public humiliation circus. Int. Train station, the trip begins. Raji stood beside his parents and Mikey, holding a backpack full of snacks and sarcasm. Raji whispered to Mikey, "Mikey, this trip shall be legendary. I brought chips, jokes, and zero self-control." Mikey blinked. "Bro, just don't get banned from public transportation again." Then the train doors opened. The family boarded. The chaos began. Int. Train car, the meltdown escalates. 10 minutes in, Raji was already roasting strangers. "Sir, that haircut looks like it lost a bet." "Ma'am, your purse is bigger than my GPA." "This train smells like expired ambition." Mikey collapsed onto his seat laughing. "Broyoure gonna get US kicked off." Then Raji opened a bag of popcorn and started throwing kernels like confetti. Passenger number 1 screamed, "Raji, stop hitting me with snacks." Passenger number 2 groaned, "This is why I drive everywhere." Mrs. Kumar gasped, "Raji, you are ruining the family trip." Mr. Kumar stood up dramatically. "Raji, get off this train. Now." Raji blinked. "Mikey, I have been ejected from vacation." Int. Train station, the tantrum begins. Raji stomped around the platform, arms flailing. "I did nothing wrong. I was just expressing myself through comedy and corn." Mikey wheezed. "Broyou started a snack war with strangers." Then Mrs. Kumar pointed to the corner of the station. Mrs. Kumar shouted, "Raji, stand in that corner for 30 minutes. Mr. Kumar added, like a 5-year-old, "Reflect on your nonsense." Raji collapsed into the corner, arms crossed. "Mikey, I am experiencing maximum humiliation." Mikey smirked. "Bro, you look like a timeout statue." The final moments, total failure. 30 minutes later, Raji emerged from the corner, emotionally broken. Mrs. Kumar sighed. "Raji, next time, behave like someone who's allowed to travel." Mr. Kumar groaned. "You are grounded from trains, snacks, and sarcasm until further notice." Raji whispered to Mikey, "Mikey, I have destroyed the family trip before it even began." Mikey smirked. "Bro, you already know what I'm about to say." Raji groaned. "Mikey, don't say it." Mikey grinned. Legendary failure, man.